In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share OneDrive and SharePoint files in Office 365, and all of this will be covered in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make file sharing a breeze. First things first, you'll need to log into your Office 365 account. This is your gateway to accessing all the powerful tools Office 365 offers, including OneDrive and SharePoint. Once you're logged in, look for the app launcher. It's the small grid of dots usually found in the upper left corner of the screen. A simple click on that will reveal a menu showcasing all your available apps. Next up, locate OneDrive among the options and click on it. OneDrive is your go-to for personal cloud storage and sharing. Once you're in OneDrive, head over to My Files. This is the section where all your uploaded or backed up files reside. Take a moment to find the particular file you want to share. Once you've located it, click on it to select. With your file selected, you'll notice a share button appear. Give that a click. Doing so will open up various options for file sharing. Here you can choose to share with specific people, which is a safe method if you're sharing something private or sensitive. Just type in the names or email addresses of the individuals you want to share the file with. Office 365 will make suggestions based on your contact list to make this step simpler. Now, an important part of this process is deciding what permissions to grant your recipients. You can choose whether they can just view the file, or if you want to allow them to also have editing access. This choice is crucial depending on whether you're looking to collaborate on a document or simply pass information along. Finally, with everything set, you'll need to choose how to actually send the file link. You have the option to click send, which will dispatch the file link via email directly to the people you've specified. Alternatively, you can click copy link to generate a shareable link. This latter option is useful if you prefer to send the link through your own messaging app or service. Now, if you're working with SharePoint instead, don't fret. The process is pretty much a mirror image of what we've done here with OneDrive. You'll follow similar steps within SharePoint to share your files. In this way, Office 365 ensures that whether you're using OneDrive or SharePoint, sharing your files remains a straightforward and user-friendly experience. And there you have it. You now know how to effortlessly share files through OneDrive and SharePoint within Office 365, enabling efficient collaboration and communication. Thanks for joining me today, and happy sharing.